What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to about if you want to grow your channel you need to go and find out the collaboration. So by showing you up on others videos and showing their video on your video or having together making yourself into each and another's videos, you will introduce yourself in another audience from other people's channel and other people's audience you are going to give it. So it's like sharing each and every one. It's like not going to be a competition but growing. You are going to promote yourself on other people's channel and other people are coming to your channel, so you're growing them as well. So for that you need to know how you can go and find out how you can go and tell others that I'm available to collaborate with. So if you know everything, everyone around you, you can go and directly collaborate with them, or else you need to go and just visit on channel pages. It is very actually helping out with what you can go and interact with the creators who are actually doing on YouTube. So I'm going to go and add this website link in my description as well, or you can just go and search channel pages. So just you have to join now. So it is also in tablet as well. Join now for free and it will tell you that your YouTube will be connected to your channel pages. Go and click on sync, and that's how you're going to go and ask for the email address or what you are using for, and just connect it with your YouTube channel. So I have already created that one, so I'm going to go and show you. This is my profile. It will ask you what kind of a content do you create for your YouTube videos. So mine is web designing, how to, and Android apps and programming and all. So you will have the featured channels, featured video which you have already is going to appear over here, and how many subscribers do you have, how many monthly views. So actually this is what people look forward for, that people are actually watching the video. If people are coming to your channel, that means they are going to get promoted, and you can go and check other people as well by seeing their monthly views and how many subscribers do they have. So if they have views and they have subscribers, they are actually working for it. And if they only have the subscribers, that means you can understand that they are doing sub for sub and all. So you need to make sure that channel is legit and actually they are making some content out of that. So it will give you the demographics. So I just created it today, so I don't have any demographics, but on my YouTube channel I already know that only males are watching my videos, not females, right? So it will ask you that you will find out all of the recommendation that it has 108 subscriber and monthly views is 1500. So you can go and find out all other channel as well. You can go and decide what kind of a channel you like to see, and it was going to go and give you the sponsorship as well. So you have to go and click on check mark and creating videos together, that is collaboration, making new channel together. So if you want to go and make two people and create a new channel, you can do that one as well. Cross platform, or like Facebook or any other platforms which is non YouTube. So channel pages also is non YouTube, and you can go and promote your videos over there, recommended and automation, annotation and description. You can go and just go and say I'm with I'm with another YouTuber and I will add that channel link in my description. So that's what it means. And also add their channel so people subscribe to your channel, and your channel will give their details and you can go and give their details, and that's how collaboration works. It can be done in end screen as well, you must have seen already. And you can go and find out the sponsorship for brandings and product review. You can go and check out all of that one. People actually look forward for sponsorship and all. If they have sponsorship, and they are going to go and look forward for your channel. So if you are worthwhile that they can go and give you a sponsorship, you are going to go and get connected by them. you can go and find out. For example, let me just go and show you how it looks. So I have given the audience, what kind of a audience do I need. So I will have male, actually people, all males are only watching my videos and not females are not watching my videos because it's related to tech. I don't know why. And another age is like 18 to 30 people actually watches my videos, so I will look for that kind of audience. And how many subscribers do you need? So if I will have like lakhs of subscribers, they are not going to go and connect with me. So you have to look forward for what kind of a subscription. So you must be having 1000 subscribers, so look forward for 1000 subscribers. Don't look for the person who has already crossed the million. They are not going to entertain you. So channel who are at your level, just go and connect with them, and that's how you can go and collaborate with them. So this is the channel name, and it is giving the category what kind of technology news, expert content. So you can go and give them sponsorship. If you want, you can go and see their profile, and you can go and actually see what kind of a video they are making, and click on collaborate. So you can go and directly give them a private message. You can click on what kind of a category you're looking forward for. So mine is website, how to, and Android apps and programming. Next, you have to look forward for how many average views, how many monthly views the people get, how many likes they get, and just go and look forward. Just give the criteria of what kind of a option you'd like to go and see how many channels are actually doing on this website. Actually, this is not, you have to go and identify which country you are from and all the details and so on and so forth. So you will get the audience and where you can go and interact with. So all of the, there are a lot of, you can see battery low. Okay, so you can go and connect with them, and you can go and find out like collaboration offer. So you can go and create your very own collaboration offer. So this people is doing cross platform advertisement, and it is also giving this 24/7 stream. So they are going to be 24/7 online, so it's better to have collaboration with them. Or you can go and see, but it's, my channel is not related to Fortnite, so I will not go and say I want to collaborate with them because my channel is not gaming. So look forward for what kind of a channel you already have. You can go and create offers for yourself. You can give them sponsorship, or you can go and see that all of the details. You can go and find out how many monthly views they get, how many subscribers do have they have. You can directly message them. If you have a branding, you can go and do that one as well, but I will look forward for, like, if you have a product, you can directly contact them as well. So I just gave you the details that, just go and start adding your channel on this channel pages, and you will get a collaboration is there. You can go and contact them, and that's how you go and share the video and collaborate with other people to get more audience and more subscriber and grow your channel. And that's how you contact other people and grow your channel and just be on the top of all of the branding and all, and you will definitely get some sponsorship. You have to show yourself in order to be like, as people say, whatever you see is going to be sold. So if you are not seen, how you are going to be sold? So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. I'll add the link of this website in my description. So see you guys in the next one.